My name is Ty West with SkipperBud's, Lake Fenton. This is a 2022 Scarab 165 Impulse. So really cool boat here. 16 foot long, powered by a 150 horsepower BRP Rotax jet drive. So no propellers here. Really nice safety thing. These things, they're basically big jet skis, man. They turn on a dime. You can spin them. You can really have a really fun time out on the water with these. Hop up on plane very quickly, and they are just a riot out on the water. So comes with the trailer. Really nice mag wheels there. Awesome impact graphics along this boat. Stainless steel pull-up cleats are standard with these as well. Really sporty, awesome looking helm. Easy to use. Functionality is really easy with your toggle switches there. This has have a Bluetooth kicker stereo system built right in. 3 seats across here. You also have a couple seats right here across the back. Nice little jump seats if you're just hanging out on the water, anchored somewhere. You just kind of sit off the back of your boat and relax. Easy access to the fuel. Ski locker is actually built in underneath that pad there. You just undo a couple buttons to get to it. And you've got a little hidden door right behind that Scarab packaging there too. And some pull cord netting there. And you can kind of throw something underneath these straps to keep it secure. A little L-shaped lounge here. Lots of handles everywhere, so a lot of places to grip and grab onto the boat when you're underway or you're wide open. So come on in and check out the 2022 Scarab 165 Impact here at SkipperBud's Lake Fenton Marina, and ask for Ty.